Hey, welcome. See, the live video is starting. Hi there. My name is Kari Capone, and I'm the founder of The Spinning Hand. It's so nice to meet you. I wanted to just show you the kit that we're sending out in January. So the main bread and butter of The Spinning Hand is our Knitting Kit of the Month Club. And in January, we're featuring a pretty special pattern. Let me show you. And mine is a little worn because I've worked through it all, but it's called Patrine Headband and Wristlets. So it's a cabled headband and fingerless mitts. And let me show you what it looks like. So you've got these gorgeous cables here, and then it's ribbed, and this part is worked flat. And then the fingerless mitts are so squishy and soft. Here's one, it's all complete. And then I am almost done with the second one. But it's really fun. I'm going to finish them today. They're addictive. And these are worked in the round. So I'm using double pointed needles, and you could also use a longer circular needle and use the magic loop method. So here's what you get in the kit. And we're going to start shipping these out at the beginning of January. Okay, so you get 2 balls of Juniper Moon Farm 14. This is a 90% merino and 10% cashmere yarn. It's made in Italy, and it has a chain construction. I want to see if, there we go. You can see it in the computer, but it's like really light and lofty and fluffy. So you get 2 balls of that, and so I would say I've got 2 color options. One is aquarium, that's this color, and then I have like a beautiful berry color that's coming in the mail, I think early next week. It should arrive. If you do have a color preference, you can let me know, and I will try to accommodate it. Also, you get a hand-sewn zippered notions pouch. I want to make sure that that's not too like washed out, but these are sewn by my friend Ashley at Pensive Pigeons, and each one is a little bit different, and she is sewing those for us in December, which I know is a very busy time. Also, my friend Verna from Pinecone and Pearls has made these adorable snowflake stitch marker sets. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, they're like jewelry for your knitting. So cute. And they come in this beautiful gold jar. And I have been keeping them in my notions pouch. And then let me show you the pattern again, because it's really interesting the way that they do the cables. So this is designed by Claudia Wersing for Juniper Moon Farm. And take a look at this chart. Oh, let's see if you can see it. I try and make it not too like bright. You can see it's like this colorful chart, and then they have the left leaning cables are one color, the right leaning cables are another color. So it makes it kind of interesting to do the cables that way. It actually makes a lot of sense. Part of what you're also going to get when you buy this kit is you'll get my comments, because I'm actually knitting this myself, and I just have some suggestions like how to make it easier for you to do this pattern. And if you have any questions as you're working through the pattern, of course you can reach out to me. You have my email, and I can answer it with knowledge that I've actually done this myself too. And then last but not least, if you want to upgrade to the deluxe kit, then you get the needles to go with this. And so every project we have, however many needles that are required, you get all of those. So in this particular one, we need 2 sets of needles. straights for the headband, and double points for the fingerless mitts. So that's when you go to thespinninghand.com, you take a look at the kits. You can choose to have either like the regular kit or the deluxe kit, your choice. So I think I put the link here, but let me put it in the comments as well. And yeah, let me know. Oh, I see we've got a comment. How can I see the comments? It's my comment. All right, exciting. But if you're watching the replay, please do feel free to comment and let me know what color you would prefer, if you are an aquarium person or if you are team berry. And berry, by the way, is Etsy's color of the year for 2024. So I'm excited to be getting that in. All right, that's it for today. I'm going to go have some lunch. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.